This is Introduction to Writing Repair Orders. A repair order is a contract between the customer and the automotive repair dealer, or ARD. It is used to identify why the vehicle is being serviced and is required before a technician can begin work. It lists all parts and labor estimated to complete the repair. When completing a repair order, it is necessary to document all of the customer's information, including name, address, and a phone number. It may be helpful to note an email address as well. This information will be needed to contact the customer for additional work, to let them know their vehicle is ready, or to contact them in the future for maintenance reminders. Here we can see it documented on the repair order. The next step is to document the vehicle's identification number. This includes the model year, vehicle make and model, vehicle identification number or VIN, license number, and mileage. It is also helpful to note the additional information about the vehicle, such as engine size, transmission type, and vehicle interior and exterior color. This can make it easier for a technician to identify the car and requisition the correct parts. The shop can also use this information to order parts if needed, even if the car is not there. Here we can see it documented on the repair order. Some shops will utilize a customer questionnaire to get detailed information from the customer about what is wrong with the vehicle. Even if the shop does not use a questionnaire, it is important to get as much information from the customer as possible in order to aid the technician in diagnosis. Document all of the requested service on the repair order. Be specific about what is being requested. Some shops will use operation codes, which automatically fill lines on the repair order. This will be used for standard items such as maintenance items or brake repairs, to name a couple of examples. Once the service has been documented, labor times need to be assigned to the repairs. Most shops will use a flat rate guide to estimate labor times. These labor times are given in tenths of an hour, with each tenth equals to 6 minutes. These are industry standard times. They are used to supply an estimate to the customer for work to be done. It is required for the customer to be supplied with a written estimate. If an estimate is not supplied, the customer is not liable for the cost of the repairs. In many shops, the flat rate time is also used to calculate technician hours. This is known as flat rate. A flat rate technician is paid the flat rate time for a job regardless of the time they spend. If the technician finished sooner, they still receive the flat rate time allowed, which is a bonus. Many technicians make more hours than they work in a day. On the other hand, if they take longer, they also receive the flat rate time, therefore losing time or wages on the job. Flat rate time may be different for warranty and customer paid repairs, with warranty typically lower. Parts must also be listed on the estimate. This includes the cost of the part and whether the part is new, used, or remanufactured. It may also be helpful to include the part number. Total parts and labor are then combined for a final estimate. It is not required to add tax to the estimate, but it may be helpful for the customer to know the total cost. Tax is only added to the parts cost, not the labor charges. The last item before having the customer sign is a vehicle walk-around. This is an opportunity to inspect the vehicle for damage. Any damage should be noted on the repair order. This can include dings and dents, missing hubcaps or wheel covers, broken or missing parts, or damage to the interior. This can help prevent the shop from being blamed for damage when the customer picks up the vehicle. Once the estimate is completed, the customer must sign it before any work can be done. The person signing the repair order is authorizing the repair. Any additional work necessary must be authorized by this person.